Welcome to Sipra Engineers. Here, we don't just manufacture castings, we engineer precision, drive innovation, and shape the future of mobility. Our journey begins in Satpur, where our huge facility spanning over 9,000 square meters houses tool manufacturing and die casting. We manufacture high-precision components ranging from 150 grams to 4 kilograms with an integrated approach to quality and efficiency. In Sinnar, our more recent and larger facility spans over 21,000 square meters dedicated to high-volume die casting and machining. Castings range from 300 grams to 12 kilograms. With available land for expansion, we are ready to scale for the future. At Sipra, innovation starts with design. Using unique graphics and ProCast software, we ensure optimal casting performance. Makino machining centers create dies with unmatched accuracy. With high-pressure die casting machines, ranging from 350 to 1,650 tons, our state-of-the-art processes ensure efficiency, repeatability, and excellence. Several of these machines are fully automated, with few equipped with robotic handling. Precision is our standard. Over 50 CNC and VMC machines transform castings into high-performance components, meeting the stringent demands of global automotive and industrial leaders. Quality is our commitment. Components undergo rigorous dimensional checks, X-ray analysis, and leak testing to ensure superior performance. Our CMM-equipped labs and strict process controls guarantee precision. Our expertise spans across commercial vehicles, EVs, and industrial applications. With over 140 running tools and 150 plus part numbers, we cater to the evolving needs of global industries. Sustainability is at our core. Our effluent treatment plant, ETP, ensures responsible water management, while our eco-conscious manufacturing practices drive a greener future. Behind every innovation is our team, engineers, technicians, and visionaries committed to delivering excellence in every component we create. Every morning, we come together for team meetings and a 10-minute yoga session, fostering teamwork, discipline, and well-being. Precision, productivity, performance. Welcome to Sipra Engineers, where the future of die casting takes shape.